Man, what is good, y'all? It's your boy Whisper Thing, and I'm back up in this thing, man. It's been too long since I've been in here rocking with y'all, man. I definitely miss y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna keep coming with the content, man. I just been out here grinding. I know it don't seem like it to y'all, but I've been grinding on some other things, man. So as y'all know, I'm in school. That's all working out. I'm gonna update y'all on that today for sure. And just how we did a new fence at my crib, we've been doing one at my mom's. That's why my tan line back on fleet. Y'all see it? Well, I think I got one on my hands even. So your boy been out here working hard, man. I've been working like 10, 11-hour days over there out at my mom's. I still got my seats. They're gonna get removed. I know I was supposed to do them beginning of last week. I didn't have a chance to. I'm doing them tomorrow without a doubt. Y'all stay tuned for that. That'll be the next video after this for sure. But today, y'all probably saw the title, y'all saw the thumbnail. We're gonna see if we can't drift my RC car, man. But real quick, let me show y'all some of the work I've been putting in, man. Y'all know your boy hustling. All right, y'all, so let's check out what I've been working on. Here we go. Y'all see it, man. Look at that. Spring 2020. So not all of my grades have been updated yet, but the ones that have, A, and A. Man, I told y'all I've been out here grinding, man. Holla at your boy. Even last semester ain't looking too bad, man. Your boy out here hustling. And so, as y'all can see, some of the classes that aren't up, this statistics support, it's just a pass or a fail. It's in addition to this statistics class right here. This statistics class right here, the grade isn't posted on this section yet, but we'll go to my statistics class. Y'all see your boy got an A up in here too. And then this last class I got here, this communications, public speaking, she hasn't posted the grade on here yet either. But if I go over to this page, y'all can see my grade in this class. So I got a 97% in there too, man. Man, it's like I told y'all, man, I really been out here hustling. I just been grinding on some different things lately, man. I can't let this school slip out of my hands, man. I had to get these straight A's. I told myself I was gonna do it, and I did it, man. I mean, that ain't easy, man. It's hard work, but for real, y'all, nothing comes in this life if y'all ain't willing to put the work behind it. It don't matter how smart you are, whatever. If you ain't putting the work behind it, it don't matter. Enough about me, y'all. Let's see what else I've been working on. So we've done all that, y'all. Still got this to do. Early in the morning, your boy just getting started. It's 7 a.m. right now. Putting these runner boards along the bottom of the fence everywhere. There's the runners there. Shoot, I guess I'm just putting up fences everywhere now. Y'all come hire your boy, man. But the grind don't stop. I've been hustling, I'm telling y'all. So it don't look like much right now, y'all, but we gonna see if we can't get a little track out of this right here. It's the weekend. Y'all know how we do. Got your boy working hard just to have a little fun, man. Yeah, damn, y'all. About beer 30. All right, you guys, so here's the drift car I have right here. Now this is an electric one. I got a pretty cool battery on here. I bought this thing like, I don't know, a year ago maybe. I bet you I've played it for less than 2 hours. So if you guys know about these, it's a 500 MAH, whatever that is. I don't even remember what it all stands for. When I was buying this thing, man, I had looked everything up for these cars. I knew all about it, and then I ended up not playing it, man. This honestly might be one of my worst investments, for real. But this thing's pretty cool. There's the motor and everything in there. It's definitely quick. This thing is chain driven, if I'm not mistaken. This was like the new upgraded model when they came out. Oh, sorry, y'all, my allergies, man. See this wind going crazy after sweeping everything up, man. It got me messed up. My eyes probably all red, y'all. I've got some drift wheels on here. Now, these wheels are hard. Like a super hard plastic or something, and it also makes the car sit a little bit lower to the ground. So I mean, the clearance in the back looks like it's not clearing at all, but it's because it's sitting on this trash can. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna see if I can't get this thing to drift. I always wanted to be able to drift it, but I just never spent enough time to really get it down. Now, this is 4-wheel drive, but if you guys don't know, most RC drifting for amateurs anyways is 4-wheel drive, so they're more like power slides. But yeah, it looks pretty dope. I know some of the professionals actually do rear-wheel drive, but your boy ain't got it like that. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this baby on, sit back, enjoy a cerveza, kick it on our weekend, man. Appreciate y'all chilling with me. Y'all peep my baby's veggie garden over there. She been working hard on that. I see you, girl. Already, y'all, it ain't doing nothing. Let's see if batteries will help. Y'all ever seen AC Delco batteries? Damn if your boy ain't loyal to Chevy. Can y'all hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's beeping or something. Check it out, y'all. The wheels turn, but it ain't got no juice. Forward or reverse. If any of you guys know about these, I read on the controller, it's the HPI Racing. I don't even know what's wrong now. I ain't used this thing in months, so I might have wasted a whole video, y'all. Did I really fuck it up on that little crash, y'all? Check it out on my iPad, see if I can figure it out. Damn, y'all, well, that was a total fail. Total waste of my time. I cleaned that whole area up just for that thing to break. I don't know if it's because I ran it into the fence or what happened. My allergies are going crazy, y'all. My eyes are all swollen. I was sneezing out there. You see me sweating, man. Summer in full effect out here in California, so I was out there trying to look it up, figure out what's going on, man. I got too frustrated. I couldn't focus. My freaking allergies, like I said, y'all, I'm tore back. Y'all see my eyes puffy right here, man. It's all bad. Anyways, I'm going to be taking my seats out tomorrow morning, man. I'm going to crank these videos out for y'all. But this your boy Whisper Thing. I'm about this thing, baby. Peace.